Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video we will see how you can connect the Namecheap hosting to our domain. In this Black Friday sale, Namecheap is providing free hosting for 1 month. Now let's see how you can connect this free hosting. For that, make sure you copy this free hosting coupon code. Now let's start the process of connecting our hosting to the domain. Simply click on the free host 20 to copy the coupon code and click on the buy button. After that, in the card you can see that we can get 20 GB of SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, and we can host up to 3 websites, which is an absolutely awesome plan. Now if you want to register a new domain, you can do that, or you can connect your existing domain. I'll choose to connect an existing domain. Also, you need to sign in or create an account with the Namecheap to just register and hosting. So I'll just quickly create an account with the Namecheap. After you have created your account, simply click on the add to cart button, or you can simply go to the checkout page. Before we move further, make sure that you have put your domain name on which you want to connect this hosting. Simply put your domain and click on connect to hosting and click on the add to cart button. Now here you can see that we have costing around $212 rupees. Now I'll show you how you can make it or reduce it to the zero. Simply put your coupon code and make sure that you have sent the renewal time to 1 month. If you increase the renewal time, this coupon code will not work. So you have seen that our price is reduced to 0 rupees, which is absolutely good. You can try this hosting for 1 month for absolutely free. After that you will charge something. Now simply click on the confirm order. Now you have seen that we are redirected to the billing section where you have to put your account details. Simply put your account details and I'll show you what we have to do further. Now after that, simply click on terms and condition and click on pay now. You have seen, now we can see that our order is being processed. After that, your order will be successfully placed. Now you can see that our order is successfully placed. Now you can simply go to the dashboard of the Namecheap to connect your domain with the hosting. Now you can see that there is an hosting in our account. Simply click on the hosting and go to the cPanel. After that, you will be redirected to the cPanel where you can connect your domain to your hosting. Now my domain is connected, or it is hosted on Blogger, which is a free platform. Now I want to connect or transfer my domain from Blogger to the WordPress. Now let's see how we can do that. As you can see, my domain is connected, or it is hosted on the Blogger. Now I'll connect my domain to the WordPress hosting. Now as my domain, now you can see that our cPanel is successfully loaded. Make sure you copy the IP address. I will tell you the reason in the further part of the video. After that, go to your Namecheap account. Now I'll tell you one thing. You will get the name servers and other account details in your Gmail or the email you have put it during the checkout section. After you get the account details, you can use your name server to connect your domain to the hosting. But I will be not using the name servers to connect my domain to the hosting. Rather, I will be using the DNS record because my domain is connected to the Cloudflare network, and if I alter the name servers, my domain will be disconnected from the Cloudflare, which I don't want. So I will be using the IP address of the hosting to connect my domain from the I will be using the IP address to transfer my domain from the Blogger to my new host, which is the WordPress. Now you can see that we have got the name servers. You can use your name servers if you don't have any problem. No, but I will be not using the name servers as I want to connect my domain to hosting using the DNS record. Now let's see the process of connecting the domain to the hosting using a DNS record. Now simply make sure you copy the IP address which is given over here, which is very important or a crucial part. Now go to the Cloudflare network or the Cloudflare dashboard, click on the DNS, and now you can see that you will be now the Cloudflare will display your existing DNS. You can see that my domain is connected to the Blogger. Make sure you delete this existing records. I will make a new records which is necessary. Delete this useless records. First is you have to create an A record. Put your domain name in the name section, and in the IPv4 address put your hosting IP address which we have copied from the email. Simply put your IP address and replace with the new one. Now after clicking on the save button, you will see that our Blogger hosting will be disconnected from our domain and our new domain will be connected to the WordPress hosting. Now let's refresh our domain and let's see where it is connected. You can see that we have successfully connected our domain to the hosting. Guys, we have to create another CNAME record which will basically redirect people entering www.vnproduction.in to vnproduction.in. If somebody enters www.example.com, then he will be redirected to your original domain. For that, create a CNAME record and in the name section put www and in the target section put your domain name and simply click on save button. That's all for today, guys. If you loved this video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bye.